Hello, welcome to AI Factory. In the previous video, I taught you how to deploy DeepSeek on your local machine. If you haven't watched it, please check out my channel. I also have other tutorial videos about DeepSeek that you might find interesting, so feel free to take a look. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to train your local DeepSeek with your private data, so it can work for you without compromising your privacy. First, we need to install an embedding model for Llama. So what exactly is an embedding model? Embeddings are how LLMs capture semantic meaning. They are numeric representations of non-numeric data that LLMs can use to determine relationships between concepts. Embedding models are algorithms trained to encapsulate information into dense representations in a multidimensional space. Data scientists use embedding models to enable ML models to comprehend and reason with high-dimensional data. These models are commonly used in various ML applications. To get started, go to Llama's official site. Click on the Model section and choose Embedding. We will be installing the Nomic Embed Text model. Copy the command Llama pull Nomic Embed Text. Then open a command window, paste it, and run the command. It will take a bit of time to finish. The installation of the embedding model is complete. Now, let's explore AI applications for large language models, LLMs. First, search for AnythingLLM on Google and download the program according to your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I downloaded the 64-bit Windows app. Once the download is complete, run the setup file AnythingLLM desktop.exe. Note that the installation process might take some time to finish. After the installation is complete, open AnythingLLM. Click on Get Started. Then, click Next and create a new workspace named AI Factory 24. That is the name I chose for my workspace, but you can name it whatever you like. Let's see what it returns before we apply any of our own data. For example, we can ask DeepSeek, what is the AI Factory 24 channel on YouTube? DeepSeek will give its guess. In AnythingLLM, navigate to the settings. Under AI providers, select LLM, and set the LLM provider to Alama. For the model, choose DeepSeek R1:8B, which is the model I installed. This 8B model is the one I installed with Alama, configured based on my GPU's VRAM. Your value might differ, as it depends on the VRAM of your computer's GPU. You can watch my previous tutorial, DeepSeek R1 Setup Guide. Leave other parameters unchanged and save the changes. Next, click on the embedder. Choose Alama again as the embedding provider and set the model to Nomic Embed Text. Save the changes once more. Then, go back to the main interface. Click on Upload and select a small text file containing a brief introduction of the AI Factory 24 channel on YouTube. After the upload is complete, move the file to the right side, which represents your workspace, and then click Save and Embed. Let's ask the same question again. DeepSeek will now provide the information we gave it about the channel, but in its own words. The response is very close to what we provided. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.